Hey makers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Little Doll Mom. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration for the herringbone half double crochet. Well, grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Start with getting a slip knot on your hook. Now, for your foundation chain, you can begin with multiples of any number plus 1. And you're going to skip the first 2 chains and we're going to stitch into the 3rd chain. Now to do the herringbone half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, crochet into that into that stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop, and you will have 2 loops left on your hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. And you'll continue to do that stitch for every remaining stitch for this chain, okay? So yarn over, crochet into the chain, yarn over and pull through that first loop, yarn over and pull through 2, okay? Go ahead and continue to do that for the rest of this row. I'm all done with row 1. What I'm going to do is chain 2. We're going to turn our work around. Chain 2 counts as a stitch. So what we're going to do is we are going to skip this first stitch and we're going to continue to crochet into the 2nd stitch right here. So do your herringbone half double crochet just like that, and you just continue that for the rest of the row. Here's a tip. Make sure to crochet into the turning chain at the end for a straight edge. And row 2 is done. I am currently working on a blanket using the herringbone half double crochet, and I am loving the way this blanket is turning out. It's beautiful. It has a nice texture to it. I can't wait till I finish. I will be posting the final project on my Instagram, so don't forget to check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makers keep making. I'll see you next video.